Most people get this wrong when evaluating Jabber integrations. They see a long list of connected apps and assume everything will work perfectly right out of the box. But here's the truth no one tells you. An integration is only valuable if it actually saves time, reduces manual work, and improves your workflow. Otherwise, it's just another feature you'll never use. In this video, we're going to break down what you need to know about Jabber integrations, where they can help your business, where expectations often don't match reality, and how to avoid costly mistakes before connecting your software stack. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to understand is why integrations matter. Most home service businesses use multiple tools. You might have one system for accounting, another for payments, another for customer communication, and another for marketing. Without integrations, employees often end up entering the same information multiple times. That's inefficient and creates opportunities for errors. For example, imagine John owns a plumbing business. A customer books a job. The information gets entered into the CRM, accounting software, and payment system separately. That process takes time. The goal of integrations is to reduce that friction. But here's the problem. Many business owners assume integrations automatically eliminate all manual work. In reality, every integration has limitations. Some connections are deep and highly automated. Others only transfer specific types of information. That's why understanding exactly what data moves between systems is so important. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The best integration isn't always the one with the most features. It's the one that solves your biggest operational headache. Imagine Alex owns a landscaping company. If invoicing and bookkeeping take hours every week, an accounting integration may create immediate value. But if customer communication is the bigger challenge, a communication-focused integration may provide a better return. In a minute, I'll show you the biggest mistake most people make when choosing integrations. But first, let's talk about complexity. As businesses grow, software stacks tend to grow as well. New apps get added. New workflows are created. New systems need to communicate with each other. That sounds great in theory. However, this is where most people fail. They connect everything simply because they can. The result is often unnecessary complexity. More integrations mean more moving parts. More moving parts create more opportunities for confusion, duplicate processes, and troubleshooting. The smartest approach is much simpler. Start with your biggest business bottleneck. Identify the repetitive task consuming the most time. Then look for integrations that directly solve that problem. That's where you'll usually see the highest return. The real secret about Jabber integrations isn't hidden inside the software. It's understanding that integrations are tools, not solutions. A poorly designed workflow stays inefficient even with multiple connected apps. A well-designed workflow becomes faster and more profitable when the right integrations are added. That's the difference most people miss. Now, you know what to look for before connecting your software stack, and how to avoid common integration mistakes. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more home service software reviews and business growth tips, and let me know in the comments which Jabber integration has been the most useful for your business.